This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 62,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Be sure to take advantage of our first-year complimentary basic maintenance on every pre-owned vehicle purchased from Cox Automotive.